Hi there, welcome in another tutorial. So in this tutorial we'll continue with making a radio. So okay, let's start. Let's like create. Let's select a font. Let's duplicate it and let's make uh, our scale on -1. So let's move it a bit and let's combine those two models. And now let's merge all the vertices. Okay, need to select those two. Okay, that's bad, sorry. Okay, let's start from bottom because that's gonna take some time. Sometimes it's really hard to notice which vertex you want to actually snap in this kind of models, but that's not the biggest problem. It can be done really quickly. Doesn't take too much time. Okay, when it's done, just select this one and just delete it, and just delete the vertices. And as we can see, it's a bit too wide, so just shrink it down. Something about this, it's a correct size. Let's have a look at the smooth version. Okay, that's fine. Okay, don't worry about the smoothing for now. Let's do the same with this mesh. Just move it a bit. Take this tool, combine them. Just isolate selection. It's gonna be easier for us to make it together. And doesn't want to merge. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, that's my mistake. Okay, select two, merge them, snap them, and merge them. Do the same here, and same here. At this point, we can delete this, and I'm using just this tool, like delete these vertices and edges together, so it's faster. Let's go and do the same in the bottom. I just frame it because to not to control the camera, to have spending a lot of time to control the camera, and use the same. Okay, right now let's go back to our model, turn down a bit, and bring it back. As you can see, we need to just get the scale right now. Something like this. And let's go to our front view. Do edit a bit over here. Just give me. Actually, you can take this one, put this to the layer, and leave it like this. So right now we can see easily what we're doing. Actually, those three, can move it here. And the same over here. Okay, don't worry about this for now. This is gonna come later. Let's do the same with this. With this we can easily select all of them and just merge them together. And then just scale it down and push it in. Okay, and now it's time for the back. At this point, from the back, we're not gonna need those. So just go on the side, select all of those, just delete them. We're not gonna need them anymore. And let's do the same. Duplicate it, scale it, do in the right place, merge those two, and reattach the vertices. And right now, just merge those vertices together, and at this point we can go for edge, and let's delete all this edge loop that needed. Okay, scale it down and put on the back. Okay, this is fine for now. Let's put all of them on the layers. We don't need to name layers at this point. So right now we're just gonna play with this. See the back, so I'm just gonna take it out, and let's position those ones perfectly. Something like that. You can use smooth preview to check how it looks like. Just to get the shape right. Okay, don't really like this shape of this. Don't need this one. Okay, I think here we have too many vertices. Okay, let's have a look here. It's the same. So just take them all, merge them. Let's have a look now. Yeah, that's much better. That's more what I'm looking for. Let's delete this edge. Okay. Make it a bit smaller. Actually go back. Make it thinner. And it's back here. So we need to change something here. Position it somewhere here, like that. As you can see, we're gonna need to add some more details to it. This one needs to actually go inside. Okay, like this, it's gonna look much better. Okay. Right now, what we need to do, we need to play with this. So we're gonna take out the first layer, and this one we're gonna put on the layer. Actually, we need this one. Double click it. Okay, and let's start to play with this. This one is gonna be much easier to play with. Select all of them from top. Put them in. Okay, something like that. Let's have a look now. We're gonna smooth it, have a nice shape. Okay, so right now let's take this one out. Let's duplicate this and move it back. Okay, now we can make it this one slightly bigger. Okay, see the problems now. This one needs to go a bit up. It's because it's smoothed. Actually, this part we're gonna smooth it right now. So just double check it, like if every single corner is correct. As you can see over here. All of those need to go down. There's a lot of tweaking here, but I want to have this model really nicely done. Something like that. Okay, right now I'm just gonna smooth it. I'm just gonna release it. Okay, so we have this one done. We have front done. Front actually need to have some kind of. We need to fix this one, but this later. That's don't worry about that. And now let's worry about the back. Okay, let's scale it down. Let's make this fit to the rest of the model. Okay, move up, scale it. Okay, just have a look. I'm doing this in the smoothed preview because back, as you're gonna see in the reference images, back will be much easier to make, to model. It's fairly simple shape over there, so don't worry about this too much. Actually, I'm gonna try to move it from here if it's possible. Not really, can't really see the model. Something like this. Okay. For now, let's leave it. We have fairly nice shape in the radio, and on the next lesson we're gonna add some more details.